Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best compost bins. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss compost bins which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DFomer Garden Composter Bin. Limit waste, save money, and strengthen your soil with the help of this impressive backyard composter from DFomer. Firstly, this compost bin is well designed. Made from high-quality materials such as black PP plastic, the bin is effective in both regulating heat and moisture, and ensures an overall shorter composting time. BPA-free recycled plastics create ideal conditions for microbes to grow, as toxins will never impact the vitamin-building process of the compost. The composting bin also comes with a secure lid and will protect your growing compost from any pests who might be interested in the food scraps. And with a capacity of 110 gallons, it can store a huge amount of compost. Easy to assemble and straightforward to use, this composting bin requires no digging, shoveling, or hand mixing to work. As a tumbler composter, simply fill your bin with organic waste and rotate the bin periodically. An online manual will explain everything you need to get this backyard composter to work immediately. No need to buy plant fertilizers again. Pros. Secure lid prevents pests from damaging your compost. Easy to assemble with an online manual. Extra large capacity at 110 gallons. Cons. As a tumbler compost bin, it needs to be rotated periodically. Number 2. Worm Factory US-made composting system. Worm compost bins are perfect for city gardeners whose space is limited. A sunny windowsill or kitchen corner is the perfect spot for the Worm Factory 360. At less than 2 feet tall and wide, the composting bin won't take up much space. The basic model features 4 stacking trays, but you can add more to handle additional compost materials if needed. The kit does not supply red wiggler worms, you'll need to purchase them separately, but will advise on how many pounds of worms to buy. It does, however, come with a few handy accessories, including mineral rock dust for nutrients, a thermometer, a hand rake, a scraper, worm ladders, which help them move up through the compost, and worm bedding. Best of all, there's very little assembly involved, just unpack and stack. This compost bin was extremely easy to assemble and left no questions about where to put parts. The stacking trays allowed for different stages of compost to develop at the same time and made it easy to empty the compost into the garden. The handy spigot for compost tea was an extra bonus. The size falls between a large and small composter, making it ideal for those with smaller backyards who are still serious about composting. Pros. Easy to assemble. Can hold various stages of compost. Has a tea collector tray and watering can. Cons. Have to remove trays to use compost. Number 3. SCD Probiotics All Seasons Indoor Composter. What if you could compost in your kitchen without having to worry about space or bad smells? This composting bin from SCD Probiotics promises to speed up composting and beat bad smells. Creating a sweet, pungent smell when at work, this composter comes with bokashi, a safe, non-toxic compost starter. Enhanced with SCD Probiotics and using all the benefits of microorganisms, the bokashi ferments your food waste and quickens it up. Bokashi composting loses fewer nutrients than traditional methods, making the compost you're developing richer. No flies. No unpleasant smells. But faster compost, and at a higher quality. Now let's talk about the compost bin itself. It holds up to 5 gallons of material, which is the perfect size for an indoor container and comes ready to use with no assembly required. It features a lid that locks tightly for easy, airtight fermentation. Made from high-quality, recycled plastic, this compost bin won't weaken during use or add any harmful chemicals into the compost. Lastly, we love the built-in spigot, valve, to its design, which offers more ways to access the compost when it's ready. Number 4. Chefeco EcoCrock Counter Compost Bin. Who knew composting could be so stylish? This countertop composter from Chefeco store comes with all the tools you need to start composting straight after dinner, in the comfort of your kitchen. First, let's address the smells. Some people worry indoor composting brings about foul odors to kitchens. This composter comes with 2 replaceable natural charcoal filters, which trap and absorb food odors and ensures your kitchen is fresh-smelling and clean. This composer is also very well designed. A dual bucket design has a removable inner bucket, and a built-in handle allows for a great user-friendly experience. Food scraps can easily slide out without any mess. Finally, with its compact design of 12.95 by 6.4 by 8.35 inches, and weighing only 4.48 pounds, this composter can easily fit in narrow spaces and easily go undetected in a busy kitchen until it's needed. With a capacity of 0.75 gallons, this countertop composter is ideally suited for homeowners wanting to start composting immediately after food, or where outdoor space is limited. Number 5. VermiHut Plus 5 Tray Worm Composter. Worms are a beneficial way to compost at home in that they do the work of breaking down food scraps instead of the microorganisms that do it in a traditional outdoor composting scenario. One advantage of using worms is that it's a one-step process. You throw scraps in with the worms and they do the rest. Worms are also a great choice for apartments because they eliminate the need for an outdoor compost pile or bin. It can also be appealing for kids who are generally much more interested in worms than invisible microorganisms. The VermiHut is high capacity, able to process up to 5 pounds a day when running at full steam. Pros: great for apartments. Fun for kids. Large capacity. Cons: takes up space. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.